He's a mad thing. You are a mad thing. Yes, you are. And I suppose that's why people like myself love spotted hyenas, because they So I've been asked by a lot of viewers, why don't I post more about hyenas, and so I decided to introduce you guys to young Nicolas, a 9-month-old spotted hyena who is incredibly lovable and incredibly cute, and he has an interesting story. And that story goes as follows. Nicolas was born here at the sanctuary. However, his mother had another cub, and that other cub was more dominant than him. In the hyena society, if normally the mother will have two in the litter, and if they're same sex, as it seemed was the case with young Nicolas over here, the siblings fight extensively, and the more dominant one tries to tries to suppress the other one from getting food and milk. And like he's trying to dominate me now. And anyway, in any event, so what happened was we had to intervene and remove young Nicolas and take him and hand raise him. And it's not something that we ever you know, it's not something that we ever do lightly or take lightly, because we have to know that we have the capability of looking after this animal for the rest of his life. Young Nicolas, please behave yourself. He's just getting excited about being on camera. Yes, it's really exciting being on camera. I can't. I can't.